In the realm of sushi and rolls, 10 folk signs weave a tapestry of tradition and wisdom. The dance of the chopsticks, a delicate ballet expressing gratitude for the meal. The ripple effect, the art of dipping sushi fish side down, symbolizing harmony with nature. Whisper of the wasabi, a humble hint of heat, whispering stories of endurance. The rolling tides of family unity embodied in the communal preparation of rolls. The wisdom of the Tsukemono, pickles that reflect the changing seasons and the passing of time. The Zen of Sushi Rice, a lesson in patience and precision. The Silence of Sashimi, honoring the purity of the ingredient, a moment of quiet appreciation. The legacy of the Itamae, the sushi chef, whose skills are honed over a lifetime and passed down through generations. The blessing of the Tuna, a respect for the ocean's bounty and the sustenance it provides. And finally, the unbroken thread of tradition, the continual evolution of sushi, yet maintaining its core essence. 10 signs, a culinary legacy woven into the fabric of sushi and rolls. May they continue to inspire for generations to come.